Welcome to the full review of the AirPods Pro 3 Firmware 8B39. We'll explore whether this update successfully fixes the reported bugs. The 8B39 firmware marks the end of fragmented updates, providing a unified build across AirPods 4, Pro 2, and Pro 3, streamlining the Apple audio ecosystem and simplifying bug tracking. To force the 8B39 background update, you must follow a precise sequence. Pair via Bluetooth, plug into power, connect your iOS or Mac device to Wi-Fi, and then wait 20 to 30 minutes. To verify the installation, ensure Bluetooth is active and the case lid is open. Navigate to Settings, Bluetooth, About, and Version to look for 8B39 feet. Firmware 8B39 delivered major fixes, including patching the iPhone lockup glitch, resolving ambient static or hissing, and enhancing faster switching between Apple ecosystem devices. The older AirPods Pro 2 are the real winners. This update completely resolved firmware mismatch, delivering noticeably faster connection speeds and rock-solid audio stability. Despite the fixes, AirPods Pro 3 users still face issues: intermittent connection lag, the 10-minute ANC fade, and a persistent case firmware mismatch. The 10-minute ANC fade, a 90 to 100 Hz bug, causes strong noise cancellation to slowly relax over time, allowing low-frequency sounds like loud breaths to leak through. This frequency leakage sounds like a faint, low-end rumble or echo. Environmental culprits include HVAC units and bus engines. A temporary fix is toggling transparency mode on and off to reset ANC. The persistent case mismatch bug means the case remains on the older 8B34 firmware even if the buds update successfully. This causes erratic battery reporting and failure of optimized charging limits. The Pro 3 also exhibits a Bluetooth handshake lag, resulting in slower pairing than older models, occasional audio dropouts, and persistent microphone inconsistencies during calls. Our features wish list includes custom EQ options, geo-locked health features currently unavailable in Canada and the EU, and new language support for stagnant live translation. The generational clash on 8B39 shows the Pro 2 offering fast connection speeds and stable ANC, while the Pro 3 suffers from connection lag, a case firmware sync issue, and the 90 Hz ANC fade. Community workarounds for the Pro 3 include the ANC reset, the seal check by cleaning the ear tips, and the nuclear option, a full hard reset to force a proper firmware sync. The final verdict: Pro 2 owners should upgrade immediately. Pro 3 owners should wait, as major ANC and case mismatch bugs remain. If you rely on stable ANC, consider switching until the next update.